Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a document based app using FileDocument and DocumentGroup in SwiftUI for native iOS application. Now make sure you run the output on a real device. So first I'll show you the output. So here you can see this is my application. I have already created two documents, but if I want I can click on the create document button and it will create a document for me and I can type whatever I feel like. Okay, and I will just press on this back button, it will automatically save it for me. If I click on that document again, here you can see it has saved it for me as well. And if I want I can click on this create document at the bottom as well and it will create a document for me. So yeah, that's what this is all about. Let's see how to do this. So first here you can see that once you create your SwiftUI application, you will have to go to the main app file, and here instead of this window group content view you have to use this document group. Here you have to document text file. I will show this text file code shortly, and here is our content view and we are passing the file document to it. Then if you see this text file, here you can see we are importing SwiftUI and uniform type identifiers. It extends from file document. So readable content types is plain text. Here is our text. Here is the initial text. Here is we are setting the configuration for it, and this is the file wrapper for reading it. This will be called when the system wants to write our data to it. And so yeah, hopefully you got the point. Even I have copy pasted this code from documentation itself. Then here is our content view. So we just create a binding for our text file, then we just use this text editor view and pass the document.txt to it. That's it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.